show you how to make a luxurious rice and saffron cream at home. This cream is perfect for brightening your skin tone and giving you that natural glow. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need for this magical cream. 2 tablespoons of rice, 1 tablespoon of raw milk, a few strands of saffron, 1 teaspoon of rose water, 1 teaspoon of almond oil or coconut oil. First, soak 2 tablespoons of rice in water for about 2 hours. Once it's soaked, grind the rice into a fine paste. This rice paste is the base of our cream, rich in natural skin brightening properties. Next, warm up 1 tablespoon of raw milk and add a few strands of saffron. Let the saffron soak in the milk for about 10–15 minutes until the milk turns a beautiful golden colour. Saffron is known for its powerful skin lightening effects and adds a luxurious touch to our cream. Now, mix the saffron-infused milk with the rice paste. Add 1 teaspoon of rose water and 1 teaspoon of almond or coconut oil. Blend everything together until you have a smooth, creamy consistency. This combination is packed with nutrients that nourish, brighten and hydrate your skin. To use the cream, cleanse your face and neck thoroughly. Then apply the cream, massaging it in gently with upward circular motions. You can leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes or even overnight for deeper nourishment. Using this rice and saffron cream regularly will help brighten your complexion, reduce dark spots, and give your skin a healthy, natural glow. Use it daily for best results, and don't forget to share your experience in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips and DIY skincare recipes. See you in the next video.